Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Hot Chocolate Watermelon. First thing you gotta do is you pour in the mix into this mug, and then you go to the refrigerator, you fill cold water into this mug like halfway, and then last but not least, you open up this sparkling water watermelon and you fill it halfway into this mug. It's got tastes pretty good. Fill a little more. And tastes pretty good. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated hot chocolate watermelon. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.